in the meditation through, you can say, application of 8 antidotes. If you look at the back of your handout, you will see those 8 antidotes in the your left side of the page. 8 antidotes. It begins with the translation faith. Again, here faith could be, when it's not a general faith. In some text, it talks about particular faith, but it used the faith to, cause and effect. But again, that doesn't become kind of precise faith that is needed here. Here, because the practice itself is of calm abiding meditation, it would be more appropriate to have a faith in the calm abiding meditation. So this is very particular faith, not kind of general faith, or not the faith of faith in cause and effect, or law of causality, or karma faith here. The second is aspiration. Aspiration is kind of it's bringing about interest, wanting to do this. Again here, particularly wanting or interest in engaging in the practice of calm abiding meditation. Third is exertion, or sometimes translated as effort, diligence, or enthusiasm. And this is having a joy in engaging in the practice of calm abiding meditation. And fourth is appliancy, or sometimes suppleness. Appliancy and suppleness are categorized into 2, physical and mental. When you are free from negativity of physical and mental. Again, here we are talking about this negativity of physical and mental of a very gross, coarse level, not the subtle. Probably not the subtle here. We won't be able to free from subtle negativities of body and mind. What does that negativity means here? In Tibetan words, nyanyapa means the negative state, negative condition, or negative being. Physically, it refers to not wanting from your body side engage in meditation. Or when you use an example of prostration, you have this kind of physical reaction of not wanting to stand up and bow down, and that kind of physical reaction, and that is it's a negative state of the body itself, and a body doesn't want to express behavior or action in such a way that it becomes a practice. Body don't want to do that. Mentally, it means completely kind of freeing from all kinds of misconceptual thoughts. Again, we are talking about misconceptual at the level of the coarse, manifested, not the subtle. So kind of when you are able to free from those 2, physical and mental, that's what you attain here, pliancy or suppleness. Mindfulness is number 5. Mindfulness is basically not letting your letting your mind to forget the object of your visualization, whatever that you are focused upon. Therefore, mindfulness. Introspection is number 6. Introspection is the mental factor that kind of remains alert and make sure that your mind is not influenced by mental agitation and mental dullness, 2 primary obstacles. And when introspection is aware of those 2 coming, then introspection make those 2 not actually come, not influence your mind. Introspection, and then number 7 is application. Application here actually refers to the application of antidote. When you are actually experiencing in your meditation, again, those 2 obstacles or any other obstacles, mental dullness or agitation, you need to apply antidote, not just kind of stand still and do nothing. So that's the application of antidotes. And then number 8 is equanimity. Equanimity is that when your meditation is very smooth and going perfectly well, you don't need to apply any antidotes. It is totally unnecessary. You need to maintain this neutrality or equanimity of your responses.
다도 스키키다 더니 가르치기도 대다시 제트다 또 속지 무슨 차례지 다더니 가리용구도 지금 남나 내리용구되자 다 신이세나 다나 띵엔 그 요로아타 다 말에 신이 도시 그 요로아타 요리 띵엔 다 신이 모마데다 신이 모마데 공이 공도 예 회시 그다 청소부 무슨 있나 페르발라 파트 주시 그 드바치다 드바는 어디나 그러면 드바치 용기 와리 딘들이 송도아 니나나 데이터사 데이터 디디가 단다 그 공그 아니 내시 제트스 고저와 데이터 땡에 전체 요로아다 아니 무제다 체버튼 로알라 드비 다다다 그 땡에 전체 요로아가 소로 지그래 디 리버티 땡에 저 신이 모마오지 무제트 찍지 데 체버튼 로알라 यार कोनी कोंते रोवाला दृश्य करेंगे डब करे दीदी गाना दृश्य लीलो की डब करे तने लीलो की डब करे ती तरह तरह शनि गुमशिक दामक जेपाती को दामक दिना शनि का नाम जब तोंशिक अनि चिंग से बोलता तेंजू से ना मंदु तेला लपके होरे दामक अनि दामक जेपा शनि थोपटांग कि मतलब ना नाम जब विशेष होता है ती जेपा ते ता करे दिन लमना जेपा ते चीज़ तने शांगु शांवा का गोपानी ता चक्रे दिन शनि थोपाला ता दृश्य के शनि को जोड़ा ता शनि को मुझे शनि तांती चेपरते डोला ड्रमकेंगो अनि दामक जेपात लेलो ते चिगी दामक जेपात चिगी शनि तोंशे के दामक जेपात चिगी तीर्थवतरा शांगु नीत ची संबात ची निवा संबात ची शांगु जोंसी नियमो दमशे बात ची तातिंगे जंग मुंगनम गनंगा शांगु हे सोंदिगा ती नियमो माते ना मोबर देश मशे पर थोरो निवारे दी गवा अजेदा निवारे दी गरे शनि थेंशक रो रे को मन थेंशक रे रो वा मोबर द मशे पा शांगु शिथि से शावा तम गोबानिका मेपी छेना नियमो हाजां देशे पाती त निवारे दी शांगु को चोन चोने मेना तारा को मुंगनम रोटी ताना जके चिन कली दशे तान्यु तेंगु रे मातो सिचिकी ती शांगु जी की नियमो ते सोता तने मुंगनम पे थोंडो करवा ती तिंगे द चोंची गो तकदा दना शांगु शिथि नियमो हाचां दशे पाती निवा नि नियमो से तान्यवा ngadua tana Sertinan lelo jengu shangu ni ngomber de shepa ta niwa ngandua niwa ngauti ga tambu niwa ngauti la deshi jekna ni kan nyembu ndogre lelu nyembu la kan ndogre na tambu jet ndogre tambu jut kare retin lana शनि ला ये चिबी तेपा तातिंगे रे शनि ला ये चिबी तेपा शनि तोंते न्यारवी दंबा शनि तो गुंबा ला गवी सोंडू अनि शंजां अता तचु जोत लेलो गन्या बोरेस शनि गुंबा ला पर्त चुशी के शनि गन्या बोरेस अतरे अंगावाती टेंबा तरवा दशी जेकना ने ngawat temba terwa temba te karere didi kana sheni go damur jepi jemu nya boteres ta jesa chegre didi ga damur ku je somarwa damur ko ka temba te ku je somarwa je sondi kana ti mugnam tembi tenshi te kerchi hona 따다로디 쟁유투파 메벨로로와 어때래 때지지 주파 샹구 어때래 주파 샹구 때까지 지내나 대바 다 시브젠데 제가 시브젠티 가르레 지내lam나 샹구니키니 못데레스 아 모벌 덤메시파 메시파 타 제파 모벌 디시파 니모 어때래디 모벌 덤메시 비디네 띵엔 그 문남가 나로나 아니 버그나 샹구 그 핸도 식 해도 시그널 샴푸 탭차디 가라 티 니엠부 땡고알이 티 마템바 제다 니엠부 땡고 요와 티 니엠부 더 메시바티 니와리스 오마리 덤바 카자 덤바 더 메시바 오레레 니엠부 더 메시바티 니와리스 제파 데시바티 아니 niembu chakares pajeso ngomber dem shepi niembola ngomber deshepa diongres kamdi tepa so jena odat telamna